What's up, y'all? 2012 Chevy Cruze. We got a coolant reservoir. We got an old one right here. Basically, all you got is these two hose clamps that you got to take off on this, and then it just slides up on the back. There's a clip. You just take a pry bar, and the clip goes on right here. And just lift it up with a pry bar, screwdriver, whatever. But well, there's actually two little clips, and they slide on right here respectively. And basically you get this one close and just put the clip on right there to hold it together, and then you can put your hoses back on. And then I just use some pliers like that to squeeze the little clips, the clamps, and move them down. That's it. Put it back on, and then fill it up with coolant and bleed it out.